Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making cube steak and mushroom gravy in a Power XL air fryer grill combo. Alright, I'm starting out with my Power XL and I have it set on saute at 350 degrees. And it's hot, so I'm going to add in some olive oil. And that's one good thing about the Power XL, guys, it does get hot rather fast too. Now I have some cube steaks. I'm going to get them in here, I'm going to brown them up. We're not going to cook them all the way through just yet. And I'm going to season them with some salt and pepper as I brown them up on each side. Okay, now that my steaks are all browned up, I'm still on the saute setting. I turned it down to 300. I have an 8-ounce container of mushrooms I'm going to add in there. And I have one onion I diced up, that's going in. And I'm going to saute these for a few minutes so they start to soften up. Alright guys, my vegetables went for about 5 minutes. I wound up turning the heat back up to 350 and I'm putting a splash of olive oil in there, not much. Now I have some beef broth. I'm going to add some in. And this is a 4-cup container. I'm going to put about 2 cups in. Alright. Now I'm going to turn my saute up to the highest setting, which is 375, and we're going to bring this up to a boil. It shouldn't take long. And while that's heating up, I'm going to add a little bit of salt in there, not a whole lot, about a half a teaspoon. Give that a stir. Okay, now I have a cornstarch slurry. I'm going to add that in. That's about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and about 2 tablespoons of water. Maybe a little more than 2 tablespoons of water. I'm going to give that a stir. And I'm going to get my steaks back down in here. Now the steaks aren't cooked through. They're just browned, but they're going to finish cooking in the gravy. And I almost had a man overboard, guys. That would not be good, because I am just making enough for supper. So I'm going to get them all down in there, nestled under that gravy. And once that comes up to a boil, it's going to thicken quick, so it won't take long. And all of this juice on the plate here, that's going back in, because that's added flavor. That'll help richen up our gravy, or enrich our gravy, however you want to say it. Now I'm going to bring this up to a boil, and I might turn the temperature down a little bit. I'm going to allow it to boil for just a few minutes. It's starting to thicken up already until the steaks cook through. It won't take long. Alright guys, I let this go for about 3 minutes. You can see my gravy's thickened. My steaks are cooked through. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some all gratin potatoes and peas to go with this. Let me get in here and try this steak, guys. See that gravy on there and those big chunks of mushrooms. 4 big slices of mushrooms, I should say. Steak is cooked through. Has a really good flavor from that gravy. I'm going to try a piece of mushroom here, and I'm going to have to hide this from Eric. That's really delicious, guys. And it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Cube steak and mushroom gravy in the Power XL air fryer grill combo. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.